What's going on, you guys? Al here. I just wanted to give you another update about my canaries. I have 10 pairs in total. All of them except one built nests. This one here does not seem to be ready yet. Two of them, for some reason, they felt sick after laying eggs. This one up here is in recovery. She laid 5 eggs and all of a sudden she started feeling weak, tired, and she couldn't fly anymore. So I gave her a period of rest. This one here as well, it seems like after she laid 5 eggs, she injured her foot and she could not take care of the eggs anymore. So I removed the eggs and she is recovering very nicely. This nice pair over here, they are in the middle of building nest. Let me see if we can focus on them. There we go. She's busy. All right. And we have 2 chicks in this nest. See if we can focus. There we go. And we have some more inside here as well. This one is sitting tight on her nest. I've been feeding them the original mix of seeds, and I also supply them with sprouted seeds, lettuce, cucumbers, apples, pears, any kind of fruit and vegetables during this time so they can stay healthy and help feed their chicks. All right? That's it for now. I'll see you next week.